Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with the instant noodles. Ha ha. So, today, I'd like to start out with a special message. You might not know this, but my printer died yesterday while I was trying to print a shipping label that one of my readers and good friends, Mr. www.dadbert.com, sent me so I could send him some extra noodles that I had laying around. Well, I went to print the label and it got all freaked out. And I've had this printer for a very long time. And I just made this short video showing you the printer, and yeah, why don't you have a quick look? Printer, scanner, copier pretty much is dead, and it's irritating. And what's weird is that it was a showroom, it was at an Office Max, and it was on the floor, and they gave me like a discount on it because it was discontinued. I got it in maybe like 2013, and when you scan something, when it warms up, it makes this horrible like gear slipping sound, and it's done that ever since I got it. And I've been using this thing every day practically for the last 5-6 years, I want to say. So I thought before it ends up going the way of the landfill, I ought to share with you the horrendous noise that it makes. I thought that might be kind of fun, so let me see if I can make it do it. Let me put this right here. And here it is. I love this thing. I'm really bummed that it's not working anymore. It'll scan just fine. It just won't print, and I don't really print anything. So, but it's kind of necessary to have something that prints. Import. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it'll do it. You hear that? Usually it goes I'm not kidding. And it would do that. And do it and do it and do it. But yeah, that mechanism right there is what was responsible for the images on the ramenraider.com of the backs of packages and all sorts of stuff like that. So yeah, you'll truly be missed. HP Envy 110E printer that doesn't work anymore. Go the way of the landfill. Sadness. Have a good one. Bye. So yeah, that's the printer. I got a new printer that showed up today, so I'm happy about that. But anyways, here is what we're here for. This Yumei, the lazy noodle Sichuan green pepper flavor. The lazy noodle. So yeah, this one came from that wonderful, beautiful northern bastion of wonderment, Canada, and a place called Smart and Save. We got a dry sachet with these peas in it, and then a sachet of liquid, which does not look at all green to me. Now, it also has a pair of chopsticks. But wait, what are all these things? I'll show you. Because it's a pretty rare happening to have chopsticks show up with instant noodles. Always a fork. That's what I always tell people too. It's like, why are you freaking out that I don't use chopsticks? If you buy instant noodles from Asia, 9 times out of 10, more like 99 times out of 100, they won't come with chopsticks. Nobody cares. But look. You take these two pieces here and you shove them together and you end up with they don't really want to go together all that easily, but you end up with an actual decent pair of chopsticks. Pretty snazzy. I'm not sure. This is a dry one. I don't know if that really goes in yet or not. I'm going to crack it open, see what's inside, and figure that out on my own. But it says they're supposed to go in at the end, but it's just not worth it to me to bite in a rock hard sand pea or whatever the heck they are. So here's the noodles. They steep for a minute. Usually in the tray, but I'm at the stove. I'm good. Let's see. So if those peas are edible straight out of this, then I will not add them into this. But if they aren't, then I'm going for it. Okay. Oh. You ever those wasabi peas? They're like that, but they're just salted and crunchy. And it shows to add them in. I don't know, it's like some kind of weird crunchy garnish. That sounds very odd. But we'll see. Okay. So I'm separating the noodles now. They've just had enough time to loosen up. I said also they could have a sour taste to them because of the stuff used to keep them, what's the word? Fresh, preservative. So you can rinse them with hot water once they're done. I think I'll avail myself of the luxury that is hot water to remove the sourness of the noodle. There. And here's our large non-green sachet. Huh? Yeah. I'm curious if green pepper means like green peppercorn. Smells like raisins. Wow. This could be an interesting one. The lazy noodle. These are Chinese. And I'm going to tell you right now, I have a feeling I'm going to take a bite of this and my mouth is just going to explode. I think it's going to be really spicy. Whoa. Okay. Definitely getting Sichuan pepper smell in here. And actually, this company also makes, what do you call it? Self-cooking noodle, which I have officially sworn off after the multiple times of like violent gastrointestinal distress that I've dealt with. It's like only once did I not like crap my brains out for like 18 hours straight after having that stuff. So. And then we've got our little pee-pees. Let's dump in our pee-pees. What a weird thing. Somebody's gonna go like, you're not supposed to do that. It's like, it says on the frickin' package. This is exactly how it shows you cook it. I can't imagine this is gonna be something that gets 5 stars. But you never know. I mean, I could find this to be like the next coming of Christ in a bowl. But I don't think it will be. Wow. Wow. Been a while. Been a little while. Yep. It's been a little while. I guess it was due. Oh, man. It's that bad, folks. I'm dropping forks. If you're participating in the Ramen Raider drinking game, that is take 5 drinks. Actually, just this one. Chug the whole bottle because you need to get that taste out of your mouth. In fact, I knew there was a reason that I didn't change out of my pajama pants today. Colorado. Excuse me. Alright. There's really no need to garnish this. Oh. Fine, fine. I already got the stuff ready. There's some pork. Some mung bean sprouts. And some onions. There. Rotate on that. Jeez. Yuck. Since I gave out a 0 star. I hope I'm not gaining myself some horrible gastrointestinal pain for the next 23 hours. But yeah, not a fan. What's wrong with me? There's gotta be people who absolutely love this stuff. I like pork. What a way to end the week. Bye.